pretty deep down inside.
Hi, my name's Scott. Today we are looking over the GT1000 metal detector. We're going to open this up, show you guys what you get, and then we're going to do a little demonstration with it. So we're going to show you everything inside the box. Okay, a couple things to go over. They give you a charge and power cable right in here. They give you headset where you can listen to this. So if you don't want it beeping, making sounds where everyone can hear it, you can wear the headphones. Gives you a nice little manual. They do give you a very nice bag for storing all of your accessories in. A nice backpack bag. So I do really like this a lot. It is very impressive. It only has two pieces, which is nice. So this comes foldable, which is really nice. I really like that. I don't like the ones that you got to put together. These make it so simple for anyone. Just pop open these straps and let's see, we press the side here and you can adjust the little LCD screen by pressing in the side. We're going to thread this out because we're going to put our other pole in. So this comes out. You're going to then slide this inside and you want to line it up. So we're going to thread that in. When you're placing this in, make sure you align the hole at the bottom. That way you can thread this right back in. So far, I'm very impressed with this. This is very easy, very simple to use. So I am very impressed with this so far. This is going to be facing upward. So your monitor is going to be facing up. And so is this. So your hand's going to be able to rest. And you can strap this on if you choose to keep it in place. Or you can just simply use it without. And you can have your hand in like this. Let's go ahead and test this out. On your screen, there's going to be a film like this. Go ahead and remove that. You don't need that on your actual screen. That's also in the kit. It comes with its own shovel. So this is a folding shovel. Go ahead and thread the handle on here. So these come in handy. You can use it as a pickaxe or a shovel. Thread this on. Once you have that threaded on, if you want to use it like a shovel like that, you can. You can have it like that, you can. You can have it like that if you want. You can have it one folded down. You can have it like this, so it's kind of like a hatchet. So there's many different uses. Either use, all you have to do is just simply twist this piece up. So however you want it. I think we're going to have it like this. So just twist this piece up until it's tight. Alright, so here's your power. You can turn it on and turn it off. Now, here you can set light mode or turn the light off. So the light has on here. Just lights it up for nighttime. And then you have menu. You can select different things. It tells you iron, nickel, P-tab, zinc, silver. Let's see if it picks up our silver ring. Oh, it's probably still picking up a lot of the other stuff. So we'll have to fine tune this like you guys will. So we'll continue this another day. We're deep, so we're deep, and it's finding something. So here's a big tip: if you don't want to dig deep, set your metal detector sensitivity to low. The higher the sensitivity, the deeper this thing's gonna find stuff. And it found something that is, well, down in here. Pretty deep down inside. And we still haven't got to it yet. And we know it's there because this is our pinpointer. So we know something's down in there. But we're gonna continue this another time. We did find some rocks we're gonna wash off and see what they look like for fun. So we're gonna go do that. Okay, the hole one today. But we can show you some of the rocks that we did get that I found. So I'm not sure what this is. It looks like rust in color. Rust and black. Kind of a dull, very dull looking. So if anyone knows what that is, let me know. And then of course, tons of these where it's basically a bunch of little rocks smashed together and it's like really jagged edges. And of course, your normal rocks that we found. So a bunch of them. There's another jagged one we found. Very interesting.